At this point, she thinks she's a dog. We actually just took her camping and she went hiking with dogs. We even let her off leash for a little bit to see how she would do. And she just stayed right with the dogs. She just was like, my brothers are walking, so I'm walking. We even took the dogs swimming.
Oh, wow.
She ended up following them right into the river.
Good girl, Wasabi.
And she spent probably at least 20 minutes in the water.
Good girl, Wasabi. Look at you in the water.
I already had 2 big dogs, Keiko.and.niko. Nico is Keiko's biological brother. As soon as Keiko and Nico saw each other for the first time again, it was like an instant recognition. It's hard to even separate them. If Nico feels like he needs to cuddle up next to Keiko, Keiko's totally fine with it. They're so cute together. When Wasabi, our friend, brought her over to our house, immediately you could tell that she was like, okay, this is my house. The first night, we kept Wasabi in the bathroom, but the dogs definitely knew something was behind that door. That whole night, Keiko in particular, whined and whined and whined. So the next morning, Wasabi was so curious. Wasabi and Keiko had an instant bond. Nico was a little more standoffish at first. Like, took him a couple of weeks before he started wanting to play with her. Wasabi is fierce and confident and has zero fear of anything. She's never hiding. She's just definitely a people cat. My husband was smitten with her from day one. She'll climb up on his lap all the time. She knows she's daddy's girl. I have never been a cat person, but my relationship with her is still blossoming. She has brought a whole new life to our house that I didn't know we were lacking. She's definitely grown on me, and I can say I love her.